Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the SIM with cellular service is active and selected. Once ready, go straight to Settings, right arrow Mobile Network or SIM Card Settings. Do not waste time searching menus. Tap the SIM used for calls. Look for an option labeled VO LTE, Enhanced 4G LTE, or HD Voice. If visible, toggle it off now. This immediately stops LTE from being used for voice. Make sure to watch the status icons. Signal should remain, but voice will fall back to 3G or 2G. If there's no visible VO LTE switch, change preferred network mode to a non-LTE option. In Settings, right arrow Mobile Network, right arrow Preferred Network Type, pick GSM/UMTS or WCDMA only. This prevents LTE voice. On many Android phones, you can open the testing menu via *4636 #, and set LTE to GSM/WCDMA for calls. Be cautious and only change network preferences. Once done, disable and re-enable the SIM or toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to force the modem to apply new settings. Finish by rebooting the phone. Once it boots, inspect the status bar. VO LTE or HD icons should be gone. Place a quick test call to confirm voice uses 3G or 2G and that audio is stable. If voice still uses LTE or you lose service, update the system, try safe mode to rule out a third-party app, or contact your carrier. Some providers enforce VO LTE. One key troubleshooting tip: if the VO LTE toggle is missing, carrier provisioning or a firmware lock is often the cause.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.